Good evening, everyone, and welcome. I'm Tyler Matheson. Susie Garib has the night off. Stocks dropped as the U.S. and European Union, acting in tandem, imposed tough new sanctions against Russia because of its actions in Ukraine. More on that in a moment, but we begin tonight with after-hour earnings that sent one high-profile social media stock zooming. Twitter shares soared after reporting blowout second-quarter results. Wall Street expected the company to report a loss of a penny a share, but surprise, surprise, it turned a profit, albeit a small one, 2 cents a share. Revenue, though, more than doubled, and the company saw a big uptick in user growth. And here is what happened to the stock. Look at that chart, up as much as 30% in after-hours trading. Our Julia Boorstin spoke with the CEO, Dick Costolo, and has a look at what drove those results.
Twitter shares soaring after hours as the company's results beat expectations across the board, and the company raised its full-year guidance. Twitter's users numbers are growing faster than expected. The company ended the quarter with 271 million monthly active users, up from 255 million at the end of last quarter. The company benefited from the World Cup, but in an exclusive interview, CEO Dick Costolo said that's not all.
It was a continuous set of growth across the quarter. It was no one moment or one time a thing that affected the growth in users. It was the combination of product changes that we've talked about over the course of the year that are starting to deliver the kind of results we wanted to see.
When I asked Costolo if Twitter's advertising revenue per user would be able to double to catch up with Facebook's, he said he didn't see anything structural to prevent Twitter from having the same kind of financial results seen from others in the space. And as for catching up with Facebook's size, he said our goal is to have the largest total audience in the world and reach every person in the planet. Fielding questions tweeted in about privacy, Costolo says the company is taking action.
We have a whole product team focused on user safety and privacy, and we'll continue to invest in that as we become increasingly the world's information network. Obviously, it's the case that we need to take that seriously and address it.
Now we'll see if Costolo can keep up that user growth and continue to grow revenue. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Julia Boorstin in San Francisco.